These boots have taken me everywhere.
These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you.
9 years later, and days before the longest and most technical hike I've ever attempted, it's time for new boots. I remember going to REI with my dad and picking these out, thinking how lucky I was to be getting such nice hiking boots. He said these would last me a lifetime, and I tried to fix what was falling apart, but that was impossible. Ahnu was absorbed by Teva, and Teva quit production of Ahnu back in 2020. I'm sentimental. It was hard to let go of the shoes that had been with me for so long. In July, I went back to the Sacramento REI. I tried on a few pairs of hiking boots, walked on that same fake rock to test the grip, and I bought them. After all that time, I'm back to the same place. But this time, I'm not 13 and on a field trip. I'm 22 and hiking Half Dome.
I hope you know if I go there, that I'm going there for you. And if I go there, I won't be coming home real soon. We could laugh, we could shout, sing a song, get it all out, or we could win.
What are we hiking today? How long is the hike?
16.
Is that all?
Just 16 miles, not a big deal.
It's all the things she do. It's all the things she does. It's all the things she do. It's everything she does. There might be snow there this time of year. You'll bring your snowshoes, and I'll bring the beer. We could laugh, we could shout, sing a song, get it all out, or we could whisper. Running about, you keep staring at each other's mouths. Boy, go on, kiss her. It's all the things she do. It's everything she does. It's all that we've been through. The things that make us us.
see if I can keep these boots for 9 years too.
Are you taking your socks off?
Yeah.
I want to hear my
21.6 miles. My feet have never hurt this bad. We'd also never hiked more than like 10 miles. Yeah, I can't believe we just did that. But I will say I never slipped once with these shoes. Yeah.
Don't leave the camera like that.
Walk, quick. Thank you.
When you get over here, try to make a big jump over here.